Alright, hello guys. So for today's video, I will be doing the reveal of this gift given to me by my cousin. So as you can see, here's the brand. So this is the first time no makareceive ko yung ano. Tara, so let me check. So, nabot sila last Saturday from this country. So actually, murag coincidence kay last week naghisgot mi regarding ani nga mga brand. Then so on and so forth in the office din. I don't know, murag blessing in disguise na box siya. So mo nila yung sulod. So nakarapas yan. First time yun ako i-unpack. Sindara ang sulod. This is a body bag or cross. I don't know. So let me check. Ano siguro yung nakasuot? Ano ka nakasuot? Wala at nakasuot. So comment lang below guys kung sa pangalan namin. Hindi ko ka-antigo man. Hindi ba mo unpack kung saan siya pag-unpack. So yun ako igagaw. Dapat gamiton daw na ako sa opisina. So kinahanglan gamiton guys kay effort kayo ang paghatag. Then grateful no for the first time nakadawat ko ingani. Then dili siya basa-basa. Wala sa ko nag-expect na ingani ang ihatag sa ako. Thank you so much Agaw. Then welcome back to the Philippines after 2 years. Sila last time ulit. Then happy vacation. So, sa mong kago na kanya. So maragtasan kaya ang video ko na lang ng isiyon. Okay. Para ma-grand reveal. So this like. So this is the nindot yung strap. Nindot pa guys. Ay, sorry. Nindot ko siya guys. Nasa side pocket nga pwede ra i-slip diri ang kung naka-ID, passport or whatever nga slim lang diri. Then the inside mas $1 talaga. Sige, so let's take a look inside kung saan na. So you can see na siya ano to preserve no sa moisture. Then here is the data. One ang sulod guys do. So the brand, so the Sullivan crossbody made in India. So this is the price. Guys, look at that. So nindot. Then I'm gonna use this one every time travel. So for my upcoming travel, so you'll be a great help. So kailangan gamitan. So Agaw, once again, thank you so much and have a very good vacation in the Philippines. See you. Bye bye.